Let's have a look into the importance of financial intelligence to Forex traders. What is financial intelligence? Financial intelligence is a combination of skills and knowledge that helps people understand and manage their finances. For the Forex trader, financial intelligence isn't just about knowing Forex strategies or indicators. It's understanding how money works, managing risks, making informed decisions, and achieving consistent profits. Alexander Elder wrote, and I quote, "Forex trading is 20% strategy and 80% financial intelligence and emotional control. Trading Forex without financial intelligence is like flying a plane without a license, dangerous and unpredictable." For the Forex trader, financial intelligence encompasses 1. Financial literacy, the ability to understand and manage personal finances effectively, making informed decisions about money management, investments, and financial planning. 2. Risk management. This is a crucial aspect of Forex trading that involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential losses. Effective risk management limits losses, preserves equity, ensures sustainability, and manages emotional responses to market fluctuations. 3. Money management. In Forex trading, money management is the strategies and techniques used to manage trading capital, minimize losses, and maximize gains. Like the risk management, effective money management helps traders protect trading capital, maintain equity, ensure sustainability, and lastly, increase profitability. 4. Emotional control. The ability to manage emotions and psychological influence that impact trading decisions, ensuring rational and objective judgments is important to a Forex trader. 5. Understanding the markets. Possessing the ability to analyze and comprehend various market dynamics, factors, and relationships that influence currency price movements is crucial in Forex trading. Without financial intelligence, Forex traders often over-leverage accounts, ignore risk-reward ratios, make impulsive decisions, fail to adapt to market changes. But with financial intelligence, traders set realistic goals, manage their expectations, and analyze market trends. To develop your financial intelligence as a trader, it will involve focus on learning financial concepts, trading strategies, practicing trading and analyzing results, recognizing your emotional biases, joining a trading group, and learning from others. Financial intelligence is the foundation upon which successful Forex traders build their wealth. Invest in yourself, develop your financial intelligence, and watch your trading success skyrockets.